9 months after starting Amazon FBA, I was on a one-way flight to Lisbon, Portugal. And to me, I was far richer than 99% of the millionaires in the world, not because of the money, but because of the freedom. You see, I started Amazon FBA back in August of 2022, and I had a dream and a destiny to make $1,500 a month because I knew that what it was going to take to travel and see the world. Being here in 2025 of July, I've surpassed it and I've seen the entire world. You see, I had this dream and destiny that I was going to live in Italy and work in a cafe because I just wanted to escape this rat race that we're living in. I had quiet desperation like many other people. I was in college, I was in university, and I was miserable. I was staring down the rest of my life, the 40-hour work weeks, the 60-hour work weeks, and living in a house and going home, cooking dinner, and doing the same thing over and over again for the rest of my life. And I could not stand that. And once I found the vehicle of Amazon, and I'm not saying that this is the only vehicle to escape, because I'm very passionate about online business or just any type of remote work. Once I found my vehicle and I got the first sale, I can remember it to this day as vividly as you can imagine your most strongest memory. The day that I got my first sale, I knew there was an avenue and an opportunity for this to be my vehicle, and it sure was. After Portugal, I went to Italy, Greece. I've seen every single continent, Asia, Thailand, all the countries in Africa, many of the countries in Africa, not all of them. And it has completely changed my life, not just for the period of time that I started to travel, but it's changed my life for the rest of my life because my outlook on life and vision will never be the same. I will forever be traveling the world and working remote and seeing every country that I can possibly see because that is the life I was destined to live and that I wanted to live. And Amazon FBA came in like a savior, like an angel, and provided me something. And as long as I had the mentality and the hard work to do it, we were a match made in heaven. Okay. And when I first started this business, my parents didn't understand what was going on. My family didn't understand. My friends surely didn't understand. And it didn't matter to me because I saw my goal in sight. I saw that $1,500 a month was an opportunity, or it was actually in reach. And it was my ticket out. I didn't have to explain to everybody that I was going to travel and see the world and maybe never come home. I didn't have to get over that hump because I knew when I was destined and set on something, it was going to happen no matter what were the circumstances. I'm not making this video just to tell you guys how unbelievable my life is and that it's going to be changed forever. I'm making this video for a realization for you guys to see that whether it's thousands of you, hundreds of you, or just one of you, that there is an opportunity to change your life and the pathway of your life of whatever it's going on. If you're working a 9 to 5 and you're working 60 hours a week or 40 hours a week, there's an avenue to get out of it. If you're looking to travel the world, if you're looking to see the world, there are opportunities to take the chance and to walk in that form of life. Amazon, as you can tell, I'm very passionate about it, has completely taken my life from going right to going left and at 100 miles an hour on the right path, right? When I first started, I knew there was an opportunity, and now as I sit here in 2025 with doing over $1.4 million in sales, that I am so grateful for the day I got my first sale. Not the day that I hit 1 million or the day that I hit 1.4 million, the day that I got my first sale, because that struck the point to me that there was a vehicle out, there was a ticket out of the life that everybody else is living and staring down. And being able to travel and see the world has given me more experiences, more motivation, more drive that could ever provide to me for whatever I started, whether as my career as a job or as a business just staying in the US. It wasn't just about starting a business that I could make millions of dollars on and be financially free. It was about starting a business that could allow me to do it from anywhere in the world. Little do you know, there's millions of people out there, and it might even be yourself, that are looking for a chance to escape. It's the theory of quiet desperation, the chance to break free and see the world and to just not live on a certain time clock that everybody else is living on. And that's the exact life I wanted when I first started doing this. That was the exact goal that I had. And being able to do that within 9 months, I'm extremely grateful. And like I said, guys, I'm not a millionaire. I'm not a six-figure person, and I'm certainly not a special superhero or action figure in this world. I'm a regular person who set it out as a destiny and a goal that I was going to make this my life, and it happened. So as you follow on my journey and as you take away things from either this video or the next videos to follow, please know that there is a way out of that life that is driving you absolutely nuts. I am living proof of it. And I'm here to inspire you guys to hear the stories or to do meetups when we're all across the world or just seeing the world, because Amazon FBA was my vehicle. And maybe you will have a different vehicle or maybe it will be the same one, but there's an opportunity to see the world, change your life for the better and for the rest of your life. So please take it from me. I'm living proof, and hopefully this is the start of the rest of your life.